Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man. I'm just back at the old house, checking out for barn owls nesting in the roof space. So if you'd like to come along, we'll have a look if there is any. Up the stairs. I saw a barn owl fly when I drove up the lane. There's absolutely loads of owl pellets there. So they'll sit on that rafter there a lot. Right, let's go up and have a look. Right, I've got my ladder in position to get up there. So let's go up and have a look. Oh yeah, we've got some. Got some. See them there? One. And there's one there. Yeah, they look like they're about 7 weeks old. Can see two of them. So it is actually 3 of them. One there. Second one there. And there's one in the corner there. And like looking at the pellets, it just looks like they've just nested just at the side of this chimney breast here. But one thing I absolutely love is just to find barn owls nesting in what I call a natural site. And this is a natural site because it's such a rare occurrence. 90% of the UK's barn owls nest in nest boxes. So to see these barn owls here, just nest on the ceiling of this old roof, is absolutely fantastic. Because of the age that they're at though, I'm just debating whether to actually try and get them and bring them. Because if they give us a run around. God, what a fantastic place though for these owls to be raised. In this loft space here, got all this room just to walk about. Yeah, it's fantastic, is that? See that one right in the corner there? Looks like it's quite a bit of daylight there. I don't know if that owl could maybe jump through a tile if I tried to get hold of it. There's the other one there tucked in. Yeah, after weighing it up, I've decided that I'm not going to try and capture the birds and ring them. As I made a move to one of the owls, it just scarpered anyhow, and it's right tight in the in the corner of the ceiling, so it'll be pretty difficult getting to them. So that's you know, experienced choice really, just to just leave them be. If it was a bit younger and a bit more clumped together on the nest site still, I am a little bit late. I should have checked it a few weeks back, but yeah, I'm just really happy that the owls are here, and I'm just going to leave them for this year, and I'll get back here earlier next year. I always tend to leave this site a little bit late for some reason. It's now the 31st of July, but next year I'll make sure that I'm here at the beginning of July. So, yep, thanks for watching.